when you've never drove manual and then your first car manual is this muffler deleted E36. Like, what more can you ask for? Let's take the E36 for a cruise. This is gonna be loud. This car is so loud. As y'all know, I barely know how to drive. That's why I just jerked like that. Beautiful day to be driving manual E36. If you ask me, clutch in, brake off, clutch up slowly, gas. Second gear. Third gear, that was good. These are good shifts right now. Now I can just cruise in third gear. Y'all hear that? The car has a tune, it pops. Oh my goodness, you guys have to hear that. I love this car. Finna go down Interstore North. This car sounds so crazy. I'm gonna try to rev match downshift. Oh, I did it. Oh my goodness! Holy shit! Did y'all hear that? Are y'all seeing this right now? Oh my goodness! I love manual. You guys, I've only been driving manual for 2 weeks. Down into fourth. Let's slow down. Downshift back into third. That didn't go well. Well, it didn't go too bad, but it didn't go how I wanted it to. Let's just say that. But yeah, gang, I'm doing it right now. I just had a successful downshift rev match, 2 rev match downshifts I just did successfully. I just held the clutch for too long. I always do that shit. Oh, first gear. Okay, see, my shifts are getting smoother. My shifts are getting smoother, guys. Like, when I first started, every shift was a jerk. I'm starting to get smoother shifts. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm starting to get smoother shifts, gang. Holy shit. No, but like, I literally love driving this car. Like, the tone, it's not fast, but it's just like the tone and being able to control the shifts and master manual driving is like something that I'm loving right now, gang. Honestly. I freaking love driving this car. Oh my God, I love driving this car. Good shifting, baby. First to second to third. I love it. I love it so much. Let's get it. Great shifting. I'm learning this shit, gang. And this car sounds so pure. I've only been driving manual for 2 weeks. Y'all gotta give it to me. And nobody taught me. I literally watched YouTube and I just started driving this car by myself. First time ever driving it, never knew, never had a teacher, none of that. I just started driving this car. My first ever car, E36, first ever manual, an E36. My first ever manual car, an E36, man. I love it. About to try the rev match again. Go into neutral, brake. Foot off the clutch. Woo! That's how I do my stops, guys. I just come down to second and then go into neutral. First gear, come up on the clutch some. This shit literally makes my hands sweat. It gives me adrenaline, like just driving this shit. Like, I can't even explain it. When you've never drove manual and then your first car manual is this muffler deleted E36. Like, what more can you ask for? I'm so glad I bought this car. Oh my goodness, I love this car. I know you guys had to love this car too if you guys are hearing this. I appreciate y'all for cruising with me. Your boy 6, man. I'm about to pull back up to the crib. This is just a little intro to the POVs and the E36. Oh my goodness. pops, man. You guys have to hear those pops. Holy shit. I love this car. And it has a sub in the back. I just don't have it playing no music right now because YouTube, you know how they be with the music, but appreciate y'all for tapping in with me on this video though, gang. You already know E36 is alive. Let's get it, baby.